Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Ransom Godwin in the house. All right, so we were doing some work today. Chop saw out. Got all the canvas secured, so you don't even have to look at it. And we were working with the tongue and groove blue wood that we did a video, I don't remember, a month ago when we were milling it. So we started to install it, Lee and I. Give you a little look at it, see up there. It's all laid out. Ransom's been staining all day. It's actually polyurethane we're using. And it's going in. It's going in, it's going in, and it's looking nice. So, tell me what you think of the finish. It's kind of bad lighting, so I'm trying to give you some good lighting and get the color. Oh yeah. So we're going to put some really nice rough sawn trim. We haven't figured out what we're going to do there, but that's how it's going to go. So, repurposed pallet wood is going in. And we're all about to go to dinner. And there's a storm coming. What do you think?
Not much.
So, all the snow melted already today. There it is, clearing up. And so we're just waiting for the next batch tonight. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe and that like.